Yeah, okay, I'll continue with the next problem in conversion of NFA to DFA. Okay, the language I've taken is starting with the string starting with what E, and sigma is what A comma B. Okay, what's the first step? Step number 1 is constructing what NFA. Okay, since they are not given what NFA, we have to construct NFA on our own. Okay, sigma is what A comma B and string starting with what A. So I'll write the diagram out directly. If you have any doubt, you can watch the previous video how to construct what NFA. String starting with what AB. String starting with what A. So you will get NFA in this way. So Q naught starting with what A. Therefore, ending you can have what anything that is made up of sigma, that is what A comma B. So now this will going to become your NFA. Starting with what A, ending you can have what anything. Okay, this one is your step number 1. What is that step number 1? Constructing NFA for the given language. Okay, so what is the step number 2? Step number 2 is constructing a transition table for NFA. Okay, constructing transition table. I'll write what TT for NFA. So this will going to become your second step, constructing transition table for NFA. So you write what transition table. So inputs A and what B. How many states? 2 states. Q naught, Q1. Q1 is what start state. And Q naught is what start state, and Q1 is what accepting state. Start state we denote by what arrow. Accepting state we denote by what star. Now what is Q naught upon A? Q naught upon A is what Q1. Q naught upon A is what Q1. Okay. What is Q naught upon B? Q naught upon B, there is no transition, write what phi. Okay. What is Q1 upon A? Q1 upon A is again what Q1. What is Q1 upon B? Q1 upon B is again what Q1. Okay. Yeah. So now step 2 is what over. Now go towards step 3. What is step 3? Step number 3 is constructing transition table for what DFA. Constructing TT or transition table forward DFA. Your first this one will going to become what as it is with small changes. Okay, so you write what AB as it is. So Q naught is what your start state. So that will going to become a start state in your DFA. Okay, so you write what Q1 as it is. Instead of phi, you write what dead state. So phi in NFA will going to become dead state in what DFA. Okay, yeah. Now there is a transition forward Q naught. There is one we got one more new state Q1. Now write a transition table forward Q1. You take the help from previous table. So what's the transition forward Q1 upon A as well as what B? Again you will get what Q1. So Q1 upon A is again Q1. Q1 upon A is what Q1. What is Q1 upon B? Q1 upon B is again what Q1. Write that one as it is. Okay. Now this will going to become a transition table for what DFA, which is the accepting state here Q1. So here also Q1 will going to become what accepting state. Okay, this is a transition table for your DFA. And now you construct last step, step number 4, constructing what DFA. Constructing what DFA. So it's a start state Q naught. You write that one what as it is. Next there is one more state Q1. It's a final state. So write what 2 circle. What is Q naught upon A? So Q naught upon A is what Q1. Q naught upon A is Q1. What is Q naught upon B? Q naught upon B is what dead state. Either you can write, you can skip this one. Okay, yeah. So now go with what Q1. What is Q1 upon A? Q1 upon A is Q1. Q1 upon A is what? So Q1 upon A is what? Q1. Q1 upon A is what? Again Q1. And what is Q1 upon B? Q1 upon B is again what? Q1. Q1 upon B is also what? A comma B is also what Q1. So now this one is your final required DFA. Okay, yeah. Yeah, the next problem in conversion of NFA to DFA. So that's to convert the given NFA into its equivalent DFA. So here there is no need of writing what NFA. So in the question itself they are given what NFA. So directly you can go with what step number what 2. Okay, step number already they are given in the question. So directly you can go with what step number 2. What is step number 2? Constructing transition table for what NFA. Okay, so step number 2 directly I'll go with what step number 2. So why? Because in the question itself they are given what step number 1, constructing transition table for NFA. Constructing transition table for NFA. Okay, so how many states? 3 states. So Q0, Q1, Q2. So where Q0 is what start state and Q2 is what accepting state. So Q0 is what start state and Q2 is what accepting state. And how many inputs? 0 as well as what 1. Okay, yeah. What is Q0 upon 0? Q0 upon 0 is again what Q0. And if you observe this one more transition, Q0 upon 0 is as well as Q0 as well as what Q1. Okay, so write comma and write what Q1. Now you can use what bracket. So Q0 upon 0 is Q0 as well as what Q1. Okay, so what is Q0 upon 1? Q0 upon 1 is Q1. Q0 upon 1 is Q1. Okay, yeah. Now what is Q1 upon 0? Q1 upon 0 is Q2. Q1 upon 0 is Q2. What is Q1 upon 1? Q1 upon 1 is Q2. Q1 upon 1 is Q2. Now go with what Q2. What is Q2 upon 1? Q2 upon 1. Q2 upon 1 is again Q2. Q2 upon 1 is again what? Q2. Sorry. Q2. What is Q2 upon 0? There is no transition. You can write what? 5. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so now you just denote start state as well as what accepting state. What's the start state here? Q0, and what's the accepting state? Q1. So write accepting state with star, start state with what? Q0. Okay, now you go with what step number what 3. Step number 3. What's the step number what 3? Constructing transition table for DFA. Transition table for DFA. Constructing transition table for DFA. So your input is 0 1 and starts this first table will going to become what as it is. Okay, so you write what Q0, so that's going to become start state. And here if there is 2 states in DFA, and that will going to become a single state in 2 states in NFA, that will going to become a single state in DFA. So Q0 comma what Q1. Therefore denote that one using a big bracket. Okay, what is Q0 upon 1? Q0 upon 1 is what Q1. So this particular will going to become what as it is. Only if there is a 5 you can write what dead state. If there are more than one state, here it will going to become a single state. That's it. So denote that one using a big bracket. So now observe here I got 2 different states. So now write a transition for these 2 different states. What's the first one? I'll go with what Q1. Either you can take anyone. Either you can go with this one or this one. That is up to you. So Q1 I can write what directly. What is Q1 upon 0? Q1 upon 0. Q1 upon 0 is Q2. Q1 upon 1 is Q1 upon 1 is again what Q2. Okay, now you can go with this one Q0 Q1. So Q0 Q1. Okay, what is Q0 Q1 upon 0? Q0 Q1 upon 0. Q0 Q1 upon what 0? Take union of these 2. Okay, you will get Q0 Q1 Q2. Q0 Q1 upon 0 is Q0 Q1 Q2 by taking the union. So you will get so Q0 Q1 Q2. Even though we have more than one state, In DFA, this will going to become single state. Okay. So next, what is Q naught Q1 upon what 1? Q naught Q1 upon what 1 is Q naught Q1 upon what 1. Take union of these two. You will get Q1 Q2. You will get what? Q1 Q2. Okay. Yeah. So now observe here, for this one I have written a transition, this one I have written a transition. Now you can go with what? Q2. So what is Q2? So Q2 you can write what directly. So 5 means here you will get what? Dead state. Q2 upon 1 is again what? Q2. Q2 upon 1 is again what? Q2. Write that one as it is. So this one is what over. Now go with what? Either this one or this one. Better you go with this one. Q1 Q2. What is Q1 Q2 upon 0? Q1 Q2 upon 0 is union of these two. Will get what? Again Q2. What is Q1 Q2 upon what 1? Q1 Q2 upon what 1 is take union of these two. Union of these two is again what? Q2. Okay, now you can take this one. What is that one? Q naught Q1 Q2. Q naught Q1 Q2 upon 0. Q naught Q1 Q2 upon 0 is take union of this two, this 3. Okay, if you take union of this 3, again you will get Q naught Q1 Q2. Okay, again you will get what? Q naught Q1 Q2. What is Q naught Q1 Q2 upon what 1? Q naught Q1 Q2 upon 1 is take union of these 3. If you take union, again you will get Q1 Q2. Now check whether you got any new state. This one is what over, this one is what over, Q2 is what over, Q naught Q1 Q2, Q naught Q1 Q2 is what over, Q1 Q2 is what over, Q2 is also what over, Q naught Q1 Q2 is also over. What is Q? What about Q1 Q2? Q1 Q2 is also what over. If you want, you can write about dead state. Dead state, once you reach what dead state, you will remain within a dead state. Okay, either you can write or you can skip that one. Okay, now so start state is what same. How to identify what final state, which is the final state in what previous table Q1. So wherever you find what Q1, you make that one as what accepting state. Here we have out Q1, here we have Q1, here we have Q1, here also have Q1. So we will get what 4 accepting states. Okay, so Q1 is what accepting state in the previous table. Wherever you find what Q1, make that one as what accepting state. Okay, yeah. What's the final step? So final step I will write over here. So final step we are supposed to construct what DFA. So in final step we have to construct DFA for this transition table. Step number 4, constructing DFA. So how many states? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want, either you can include a dead state or you can skip that one. Okay. Yeah. So we will get so Q naught. So Q1, Q naught Q1, Q2, Q1 Q2, and finally Q naught Q1 Q2. For accepting state, just write a note circle. For accepting state, just write on what circle. If you want, you can write even dead state. Okay. So what is Q naught upon 0? Q naught upon 0 is Q naught Q1. Q naught upon 0 is Q naught Q1. What is Q naught upon 1? Q naught upon 1 is Q1. Q naught upon 1 is Q1. So now go with what Q1. What is Q1 upon 0? Q1 upon 0 is what Q2. Q1 upon 0 is Q2. Okay, what is Q1 upon 1 is again what? Q2, you can write what 0 comma 1. Now go with what? Q0 and Q1. What is Q0 and Q1 upon 0 is Q0, Q1, Q2. Q0 and Q1 upon 0 is Q0, Q1, Q2. What is Q0 and Q1 upon what 1? Q1, Q2. Upon what 1? Q1, Q2. Okay. So now go with what Q2. Q2 upon 0 is what? Dead state. Q2 upon 0 is what? Dead state. Q2 upon 0 is dead state. So better I write dead state here. Is what dead state. Once you reach what dead state, you will remain within what? A dead state. Okay. Yeah. Q2 upon 0 is what? Dead state, and Q2 upon 1. Q2 upon 1 is again what? Q2. Q2 upon 1 is again what? Q2. Okay. Now go with what? Q1, Q2. What is Q1, Q2 upon 0? Q1, Q2 upon 0 is what? Q2. Q1, Q2 upon what? 0 is what? Q2. Okay. What is Q1, Q2 upon what? 1? Again that is also what? Q2. Write what? 0 comma 1. Okay. Now I go with what? Q0, Q1, Q2. What is Q0, Q1, Q2 upon 0? Self loop. Okay. Yeah. What is Q1, Q2, Q1, Q0, Q1, Q2 upon what 1? It's Q1, Q2. Okay. Upon what 1 is Q1, Q2. Okay. Now this one is what you required DFA for the given NFA. Just observe here. So construction of NFA is somewhat easy compared to a DFA. So many arrows. Okay. Yeah, the next concept, that is what epsilon NFA. So this is one more type in what NFA. If there is a epsilon transition within what NFA, such NFA is called as what? Epsilon NFA. And it again it is defined with what 5 tuples. So that is Q, sigma, delta, A and what S. Okay. So with respect to DFA, NF and epsilon NFA, you will find only difference with respect to what? Transition function. And Q remains what? Same, that is a set of finite number of what? States. And sigma is what? Input alphabet, delta is what? Transition function. But with respect to epsilon NFA, if you are in what? Some state, and if you got some input, and even including what? Epsilon, it will take a transition to what? Subsets of what? Q. NFA without this one means, so there is no epsilon concept in what? NFA. In NFA, if there is a epsilon concept, such NFA is called as what? Epsilon NFA. If you are in some state and if you got some input including epsilon, then if it is taking a transition to subsets of what? Q, such NFA is called as what? Epsilon NFA. And S so again stands for what? Start state, and D is either accepting state or what? Final state. Okay. Yeah. So in epsilon NFA, while converting epsilon NFA to a DFA, we will use what? One property, and that property is called as what? Epsilon closure. So we are going to convert epsilon NFA into a DFA. Okay, while converting, we will going to use what? One property, and that property is called as what? Epsilon closure. So what is that epsilon closure? Epsilon closure of what? Q, it is denoted by what? E closure of what? Q. It is a set of all states which are reachable from Q upon accepting only epsilon. If you are in some state, the states you can reach only by accepting what? Epsilon. That states are called as what? E closure of what? Q. Okay. So I am going to explain that one with an example. I have taken what? 3 states Q0, Q1 and what? Q2, and there are some epsilon transitions. Now what is the E closure of what? Q0? According to this property, E closure of Q0 is, just remember, E closure of what? Any state, by default you will get what? Same state. Okay. E closure of Q0 means by default you will get what? Q0. E closure of Q1 means by default you will get what? Q1. E closure of Q2 means by default you will get what? Q2. Next you next you check what are the states you can reach just by accepting what? Epsilon. Okay. So from the Q0, just by accepting what? Epsilon, I can reach what? Q1. Therefore E closure of Q0, by default you will get what? Q0. So I can reach Q1, therefore I will get what? Q1. If you are in a Q1, just by accepting epsilon, I can reach what? Q2. Therefore E closure of Q0 is, by default I will get Q0, By accepting epsilon, I can reach what Q1. By accepting one more epsilon, I can reach what Q2. Therefore, E close of Q naught is Q0, Q1, Q2. Okay. So in the same way, what is E close of what Q1? E close of what Q1, by default I will get what Q1. Okay. Now if you are in a Q1, I can reach what Q2 just by accepting what epsilon. Therefore, E close of Q1 is Q1, Q2. Okay. What is E close of what Q2? E close of what Q2 by default Q2. Just check, is there any epsilon transition from what Q2? No, just close that bracket. Therefore, E close of what Q2 is just Q2. Okay. While converting epsilon NFA to DFA, we are going to use what one property, and that property is called as what? Epsilon closure property. What that property says, the states you can reach only by accepting what epsilon. Okay. Yeah, that is what epsilon closure.